Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we are talking about one of the things which I tried recently, and it was something which I also saw in some kind of TV commercials. Like for example, in one of the car manufacturer advertisements, I saw this kind of a dotted matrix pattern behind the logo, and I tried to replicate the same, and I also used the same effect in one of my recent projects. So today we are talking about the same, and I will teach you how to do that same thing in Adobe After Effects. Basically, After Effects does the job very well. You can also do the same thing in a very non-efficient way, but who likes to be non-efficient, right? So we are going to learn about how to do the same thing in After Effects. So here I have a composition where I have a box like a red or pink, I don't know what color it is. So I have made this box and it is on a white background basically. So I want to make the grid pattern like the one which I saw or which I was speaking about, that is the dotted matrix pattern. So for that purpose we will be using an inbuilt effect called as CC Gridler in Adobe After Effects. So basically what it does is it is able to make different kind of stripes horizontally and vertically. So basically you adjust these stripes and you try to make the pattern which we desire. So for example, you will go in your effects panel and you will search for CC Gridler, and this is the one which we get right here, and you can simply drag it over your shape layer. So basically in this panel you can see that you have many different options. So what each option does, I will tell about that as well. So basically you have a horizontal scale, a vertical scale, a tile size and the rotation. And along with that you have one more option which is a cut tile. Now the cut tile option is something which I think it should be kept checked, not unchecked, because if you keep it unchecked you get a different pattern, and that's not the plan for today. So basically you can go and select the horizontal scale to make your stripes horizontally, and you can select the vertical scale to make your stripes vertically. That's all, that's what it takes to make such kind of a pattern. So you can basically slide your horizontal and vertical sliders to make these kind of patterns, as you can see. So in this case you can see that I have a horizontal pattern, and the same can be done for vertical pattern. I'll just type in the numbers which were the same for horizontal as well. So basically we type in 10 and it's done. We have replicated the dotted matrix pattern which I used in one of my recent projects, and also in the previous video if you have watched it, I have used the same effect in that also. Now basically if you want to make this kind of a matrix pattern, you should ensure that your colors are dark if you have a brighter background, or your colors are bright if you have a darker background, so that these kind of the patterns are clearly visible to the eyes, and that's what it is. So basically these were the two options which we were fidgeting with. Now talking about the tile size, basically it's like a zoom in and zoom out effect, and basically you can maybe bring much more matrix patterns in the same frame if you alter the tile size, or you can reduce it as well. So for example, I can shift it to bring more tiles, or I can move the slider to the left to make the number of matrix patterns much more in the same composition dimensions. Basically it's 960 by 540 and it's a 1920 by 1080 composition setting. Now talking about the cut tiles, and why I was talking that it's not something which we are going for today, is that if you uncheck this particular thing, you can see a very different kind of a pattern is generated. And if you use the tile size again on this one, so you can see that something like this can be done with this particular effect by unchecking the cut tiles option provided in Adobe After Effects, provided in the Gridler. So that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Try to inculcate the same in one of your projects and let's see what you come up with. So that's all for today. So I'll meet you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.